Yeah.
Style number 9. Grab onto your first strap and flip it over your shoulder, giving yourself good coverage along your chest and the sides. Grab onto your second strap, making sure you have good coverage. Grab that first strap over the same shoulder. Grab onto both straps and twist. While you're twisting, you'll notice that it's beginning to hold your breasts together. Twist and make sure you have enough length to go across your shoulder. Once you go over your shoulder, split both arms and bring it back to the front, making sure to arrange and hide away all loose ends. Open up the straps and flip it across your waistline, making sure to capture those loose ends and give yourself a nice finished look. Take both straps to the back and tie a knot.
You see this girl, she bust me speakers. You see this girl, she's such a diva, but else no time for ginger. I call up my guys, them wire. Man a bad man, I dey score like rubber. I mean you like a bad girl to be Messiah. Mali on deck, I dey bun the rubber. If you think say na lie, make you axi India. From Europe, right down to Gambia. Man, I never seen a guy so bad. I make him say, oh.
And there you have it, style number 9.
Mr. Mali, come do I